A car that takes too long to warm up leads to increased fuel consumption, reduced performance, and higher emissions. The ideal operating temperature for an internal combustion engine is typically between 90 to 100 degrees Celsius. The most common cause is a faulty thermostat, accounting for 40% of cases. Other causes include low or degraded coolant, air in the cooling system, worn timing belts or piston rings, and poor insulation. In very cold climates, below 10 degrees Celsius, slow warm-ups are also common. Modern cars with smart thermostats and ECU integration can reduce warm-up time by 20 to 30% compared to older models. First, inspect your thermostat. If it's stuck open, replace it. Ensure your coolant level is correct and the coolant is a 50-50 mix of water and antifreeze to prevent freezing. Consider using a block heater, especially in cold climates. This electric plug-in preheats the engine overnight, reducing warm-up time by up to 50%. Briefly idling is okay, but avoid hard acceleration while the engine is cold. Regularly flush your coolant, change your oil, and inspect thermostats. As of 2025, apps are available that integrate with your car's computer to predict thermostat failures, reducing repair costs.